In this video, I'll show you how to use Wise with Google Pay. Step 1. Open the Wise app. Launch the Wise app on your Android device and go to the cards section. Step 2. Select the Wise card to add. Choose the Wise card you want to add to Google Pay from your available cards. Step 3. Tap Add to Google Pay. Tap the Add to Google Pay button. This will open the Google Wallet app. Step 4. Follow verification steps. Complete the verification process, which may include an SMS code or Wise app confirmation. Step 5. Use Wise card with Google Pay. Your Wise card is now linked to Google Pay. You can use it for contactless payments wherever Google Pay is accepted. Now I have some tips for you for using Wise with Google Pay. Make sure NFC is enabled on your device for contactless payments. You can monitor transactions via both the Wise app and on Google Pay. Keep your Wise app and Google Wallet app updated for best performance. And that's how you add your Wise card to Google Pay. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments.